All right, hi guys. I want to show you how to put together your marketing kit that I'll be sending you. Come on over here, honey. I want to show you real quick. So this is how it's going to look finished. You'll be getting a placard. You'll be getting two of these little posts. And let me show you real quick. Two little posts. You simply cut your box at a 45-degree. Insert your little posts like that. And on the bottom, you'll see it also has some holes, and they simply fit in fairly easy. Okay, like this, and like that. And there's the top. Here's the base. The base slides into the box, and I'll show you why that's important in just a second. But this whole half slides into the box and fits on the box like that. And so this is what you'll be getting inside your box. Here you go. So fold in the half. Fold in the half here, like this. This gets one, two fold. Kind of go like that. So now you've got the bottom of the box. Fold this in and hold it up against your body, kind of helps. Fold this up against like this. So look, you already have the sides, and now you have the bottom. So one more time. So like, you do this one first. So fold it up like this, and slide this ear. Here it is. Fold this over, slide this ear into the bottom here. Like that. Fold it over, slide this ear in, like this, and fold these two bottoms in. And there you go. And your box is done. There's your box. This folds into the box, and you put your 6x6s in here, just like that. Again, I want to thank you all for carrying my product. Good luck. Give me a call on the website if you have any questions.